All right, it says here that we are now up and running. We'll see. Hoping this is working now. I love technology so much. Yes, we've got the continued version now. I think we're back. Colleen, in the meantime, is telling us a story. We have 10 people. We are waiting for just a couple more to log on. Fantastic. Okay. 13 people are slowly coming back. So Colleen at this point is pouring Oragel down her toilet. All right. What has the world come to? Let's finish off. We are so close to being finished. What we had at this point, we had the Sangas. They were due south of our fish. The fish then moved over. We have the fishing line that's going out. We figured out Y was 30. We figured out Z is 50. We just needed X. We did Pythagoras to get 40. dx dt then, don't know what it is. dy dt was 0. dz dt was 6. Here we go. X dt, dx dt plus y dy dt equals z dz dt. If you remember, we did Pythagoras. We take the derivative of x squared, and that will give you 2x dx dt. We take the derivative of the y squared, that's 2y dy dt. We take the derivative of the z squared, that's 2z dz dt. That's amazing. And then 40 dx dt plus 30 times 0 must be 50 times 6. You just plug all those variables we had over there, and that's amazing. Once we've got that, 40 dx dt must equal 300. Divide both sides by 40. You can, of course, reduce that to 30 over 4, or 7.5, because I am using exact numbers here. 30 divided by 40. No thing. Colleen, that is way too much information for the general population to know about. Very good. Here it is. 7.5 feet per second, and we are good to go. That massive question worth another 4 marks. So gauge your work accordingly. Did you absolutely knock this out of the park, and you showed your work for doing Pythagoras, how to get the x equals 40? You laid out your question nicely and got everything figured out. That's fantastic. You should have your x dx dt plus y dy dt. You don't have to show canceling the 2's out. That's fine. If you didn't even know how to start it, give yourself 0. Anything else in between, if you kind of figure out what you're going, that's why it's a quiz, and we add up our marks accordingly. Now, yes, it's a very fast fish, 7.5 feet. Every second that goes by, that fish is traveling, like Mr. Roberts' height. Every second. It is a fast fish. Who knows? The reality of these things is probably overrated. Okay, so here is your homework assignment number 12. Here's the meat and potatoes, as it were, of all this. You are now to add up your score out of 14. You then email that score in the next 24 hours. Now, I'm not mentioning any names. You know who you are. There are people in this class that we've had 9 different things for you to hand in. They've only handed in 3. They live very close to the school, so they're not overseas. In fact, they might live the closest to the school out of anyone. Get your score into me in the next 24 hours. You have it right there. If you watch this class live, you have your score out of 14 already set. Send me an email in the next 24 hours with that. If you're going to watch this video later, hopefully you watch it in the next 24 hours because we have a class today and this is what we're doing in class today. Here is your next thing. I'm going to email you a unit test. Now, this one was out of 14. I believe your test is out of 20. I think it's 5 questions. You notice it says have this done before class next Wednesday. Next Wednesday, we're going to do the same thing we did today, where I'm going to go over your test answers. I will go over very specifically and show you, just like today, the number of marks you get for each one. You have no class Friday as it is a Pro D day. There's no class Monday as it's Victoria Day. So I am very literally, when I email you this test, I am very literally giving you a week to do your test. You have 1 week to do your test. Have it ready by next Wednesday. In the next 24 hours, I will not take any scores after 11 a.m. tomorrow. Send me the mark out of 14 you just got on the quiz we just went over. Stay safe, everyone. Colleen, get dressed before next math class. That would be great, especially if there's men pressure washing on your roof. Sorry to hear about your aunt, A-N-T, aunt, exactly. And for the rest of you, I will send you a thrilling exam where some exciting things have happened on the exam in the lives of the people that are in this class. If you have not yet had your name on a quiz, an assignment, or a test, don't worry. It will be coming up. We will get everyone before the end of it. Until then, thank you and good night from NBC News. I look forward to getting your quiz score. I'm going to send you your test right now. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.